Hello everybody, imagine a pot of warm spiced mulled wine filling your home with holiday aromas. Well, that's what we're going to make today, mulled wine. And I'm going to show you step by step how we're going to do it. Let's begin with a bottle of dry red wine. You will need the entire bottle, and then we are going to add brandy. And the brandy is optional, but it does add a lot of flavor to your mulled wine. So let's take this in the kitchen and get started. We have the red wine in the pot. Now let's add 1/4 of a cup of our brandy. Now the rest of the ingredients. I have a hand of ginger, but I'm only using 1 piece, and I'm going to put it in whole and not grate it. It's dropping in. Then I'm going to add just a sprinkle of nutmeg, two sticks of cinnamon, four tablespoons of honey. And you can use as much honey as you would like. Make it as sweet as you prefer. Now let's add star anise. I'm going to add 2. If you really love that licorice flavor, add 3. If you don't, I would add at least 1 because that layer of flavor adds a lot of interest to the mulled wine. Something I discovered about star anise is that it is an herb that's used in the medication Tamiflu that the doctor will give you if you get the flu and they want to shorten the length of time that you are sick. This is used in Tamiflu. How about that? It took me forever to find star anise, and I found this at World Market, and I'm not sure they're going to even have it left on the shelves because this is the time of year that everybody wants star anise for their recipes, and it lasts for quite a while, several years. So if you think you might need it next year and you find it, go ahead and buy extra. Now I'm going to put a whole orange in this. Actually, I've sliced them and then I've spiked them with cloves. If you don't want to go to the length of time it takes to spike your oranges, you can just drop the cloves in. But this looks so pretty floating on top. Heat your mulled wine, don't boil it. It changes the flavor just a bit, and it also boils out all of the alcohol from the wine and the brandy, and it really does have a different flavor. And you'll remember, if you followed me for a very long time, I made a video in which I made mulled wine. Well, since then I have perfected the mulled wine, and this is a much better flavor, so watch this video to the end. is a spectacular autumn evening, perfect for a slow fire and warm mulled wine. So good. I've already had a sneak taste, so I know it's wonderful. Love, love, love. And I hope you love this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, you know I would love to have you as a subscriber. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.